Identifying potential investment properties. Welcome to the lecture on identifying potential investment properties. In this session, we'll delve into the strategies and criteria essential for recognizing properties that align with your investment goals. Defining investment criteria. Investment success begins with clear criteria. Define your investment goals, whether it's about location, budget, property type, or expected return on investment. We'll explore effective strategies for conducting property searches based on these criteria and understand the importance of preliminary property screening. Property search strategies. Property searches have evolved. Today, we utilize online platforms, real estate agents, and networking events for a comprehensive search. We'll discuss the best practices that involve a synergy of technology and personal connections, striking a balance that is crucial in identifying potential investment properties. Preliminary property screening. Now that we've established criteria and explored search strategies, we move on to preliminary property screening. Implementing criteria to narrow down property options is a critical step. We'll delve into the significance of this initial screening and understand how evaluating potential based on key criteria ensures informed decision-making. As we conclude this lecture, I want to express my sincere appreciation for your engagement. If you found this information valuable, consider showing your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Your active participation helps us in creating more insightful content. Thank you.